If you suffer with a long-standing autonomic or autoimmune condition, there's a good chance that one thing in particular is draining your body's energy reserves more than anything else. And what that is your body's inability to effortlessly decode its surrounding environment at an unconscious level. You see, what happens is that through trauma, infection, concussion, or some other event, dysfunctions can arise in organs and receptors in the sensory division of our peripheral nervous system. When this happens, the human body starts to communicate inaccurate or mismatched sensory information regarding its environment to the brain via neuronal signals. This then causes the brain to struggle to interpret very simple and fundamental aspects of everyday life. This might include things like recognizing body positional changes, changes in gravitational load, or changes with regards to visual stimuli. Because the brain suddenly finds it harder to interpret these variables, it then has more issues working out how to run the rest of the body, namely in its cognitive, sensory motor, and limbic systems. Because this whole process of the brain taking on board sensory information and then creating the appropriate motor output becomes more disjointed, it forces the brain to use up far more energy just to perform this task, which ends up leaving you with very limited amounts of expendable energy to actually go about your everyday with. When you understand this, you realize that basically every menial activity that you carry out within a given day, standing up, walking around, traveling in a vehicle, talking, expressing emotion, etc., all have the potential of stressing out this system further. That is, whilst all of these dysfunctions are present.